cut me thin. Now you got me reaching out.
Hey guys, my name is Emil and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So before we move on to the video, I would like to thank for your love and support guys. We have reached our 100th video and this wouldn't be possible without your love and support. So thank you so much guys. And with that said, let's move on to the video. Okay guys, so today we are going to be making a custom elegant theme with Rainmeter. Okay, this is a very simple process and it looks stunning as hell. Okay, so first off, if you have your desktop like this and you have your recycle bin, your PC and other icons, please delete all the icons, and you won't be able to delete recycle bin or you have this PC. So I'm going to teach you on how to remove that. Okay, so you're going to right click on your desktop, go to personalize, then you can click on themes here. Okay, then on your right side you can see here related settings. Okay, and you have desktop icon settings. Click on that and you'll see here recycle bin will be checked. Uncheck that and uncheck computer. Apply. Okay, then close this window. You can see your recycle bin and my computer icon will be gone. Okay, so now what you're going to do is in the description I've made a file here, a zip file. Just go ahead and download it from my Google Drive. Okay, and make sure you have WinRAR installed. Okay, then open this and unzip the files to your desktop. Okay, extract to a specified folder, then click on desktop and click OK. Okay, now you can close this and you can see all the files here. Okay, so we are going to use each and every file guys. So first off, you're going to use this Rainmeter thing. You're going to install it. So double click on it, click OK, standard installation, next, install. Okay, then make sure run Rainmeter is checked and click on finish. Okay, so you have all this pop up. So you're going to right click on it, on the thing, and then you're going to click on unload skin. Okay, do the same, right click, unload skin, right click, unload skin, right click, unload skin. Okay, so after that is done, okay, you can delete this file because you have already installed it. You'll have these 3 files with the Rainmeter logo on them. So you're going to double click on it. And then you're going to click here install. Okay, and it will load all this thing. So you're going to do the same thing, right click, unload skin, right click, unload skin, right click, unload skin, unload and unload. Okay, next you're going to move on to the Monstercat visualizer. Double click on that, install. Okay, and you have this, right click, unload skin, and the last one you have is simple Epoca. Double click on that, install. Okay, right click, unload skin. So here you have a lot of skins, so you're going to right click and unload all of them. Oh god. Okay, so now once that is done, you can delete all the 3 files. Okay, and now you can see here I have added in also a font file. So you're going to double click on that and you're going to open this Anurati free font. Then you're going to click on this regular OTF file. Okay, and then double click on it and click on install. I've already installed it, so I have this pop up. If you haven't installed it, it should not appear like this. Okay, just click on yes, then close this, close that, and you're done. So you can delete this file as well. And now you're left with the wallpaper. Make sure you just cut it and paste it in your documents or your photos or anywhere. So I'm going to be saving it on my documents. Okay, and then right click on the photo and click as set as background. Okay, close this. And this file you can already delete it because you have everything installed. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to this arrow thing here, click on it, and you have Rainmeter here. Okay, double click on that. Okay, this is your Rainmeter, guys. So whatever skins that you see previously, it's all through here. So firstly, you're going to click on the arrow beside Mond, then you're going to find the clock. Okay, click on the arrow beside the clock, click on the INI file and click on load. Okay, and you can bring it right in the middle. If you want it to be bigger, okay, I would recommend using a external USB mouse for this. Go on the skin, don't click on anything, just hover over it and move your scroll wheel to the top. Okay, you can see the skin gets bigger, so you can set it to your preferred size. Okay, so once that is done, you can close up Mond and you can move on to the Monstercat visualizer. So here you want to click on the visualizer.ini and click on load. Okay, you have this thing right here. Okay, and you're going to go into settings, general, and load that. So whatever you want to do with this visualizer, you can do it here. So for starters, I would like to move the height down to about 200. Oh god, okay, 204 it is. So, and I like to put it right under the taskbar. Okay, so just drag it down. Then you're going to your media player and make sure Windows Media Player is clicked. I've tried multiple players, but Windows Media Player tends to work well. So just click on Windows Media Player, then go to Visualizer, and you can increase the width, you can increase the bar count to make it look however you want. I would like to just leave it all at default because it looks great already. Okay, then in styling, you can change the color of what the visualizer would look like. So I would like to choose gray because it like fits everything. Then you can click on close. Okay, next you're going to open your Rainmeter again, close Monstercat visualizer and open up Simple Epoca. Okay, so now you're going to open, you can see CPU1, open the arrow, click on the arrow, go into CPU1 INI and load. Do it same for the CPU2, CPU3, and CPU4. Okay, so you can see all these 4 CPUs here, these graphs here, so you can just like move it to the top and adjust it however you like around your screen. Just gonna leave it at that. Okay, that looks kind of cool. Okay, once that is done, you're going to go into dock. Okay, then click on the arrow. Okay guys, so you're going to click on dock, then you're going to click on load. So you can adjust your dock right here. So what you're going to do is make sure your default application, you can go into here, type in default apps. Okay, I can see here your web browser, make sure you set it to what you want. Okay, so I've set mine to Google Chrome, and my video player I would like to set to Windows Media Player. No, not my video player, sorry about that. Let's set it to VLC, and my music player, let's set it to media player. Okay, now I can close this, and when I click on this Google Chrome, it should open Google Chrome, and it did. Okay, so when I click on the music, it should open the music folder, and it did. Okay, so that's great, everything's working. So now what you're going to do is you're going to click and you're going to open a music. So I have something in my shared folders. Okay, right click on this and make sure you play it with open with Windows Media Player. And you can see, guys, I'm going to reduce the volume a bit. You can see that the visualizer is moving. If you feel like it's too low and it's not very visible, you can go back into the settings, general, load that INI file, and you can increase the height a bit. Okay, so it's more visible, and just bring it up a bit. Yep. So yeah, you can play around with it, get used to it. I'm going to close this, minimize that, bring it down a little, and yep, you're done. A very simple skin to do, and it looks so elegant and so cool. So yeah, I think that's about it, guys. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. I think that's about it. So please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.